Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing the piston cooling nozzles for a 24 valve Cummins. This particular engine is a Common Rail 2005. Now I have covered in another video that these do come with the holes in the saddles for saddle piston cooling nozzles, but they do not use those on these engines. You can, but I mean, these ones are so much better. I don't know why you would ever trade them out. These have plugs in the saddle piston cooling nozzle holes that are in the saddles of the mains. So we are going to be using this instead, and I'm going to show you, or try to show you as best I can, how to install these. Now all of these are just a nozzle. This right here is a locator, so it's clocked right, and then you have a banjo. Now the washers that are installed, kind of like already clamped onto this, those are the sealing washers for this. So what you're going to do is you're going to install these in the proper location, which I'm going to try to show you with my camera, and you're going to torque these to 133 inch-pounds. That's all they need, 133 inch-pounds. I would suggest actually torquing these because of the crush washer, and these are super important, guys. If you don't get this right, it could fuck up. So I'm going to try and show you how to do this.
All right, so as you can see, that hole right there is the bolt hole for the banjo bolt. So you might have to turn the crankshaft over a little bit to be able to reach each one of these. And then I'm using my 1/4 inch drive torque wrench to torque it to that specification that I mentioned earlier. All right, and then just turn the crankshaft over, and then whatever cylinder you can get to, you can probably do its companion cylinder at the same time and get those all torqued down and in the correct positions. I'm going to try to show you that locator pin because there's a little hole in the block for that locator pin that I mentioned earlier on these nozzles. Again, I apologize, this was really hard to record, but there's a piston cooling nozzle installed.